If you're like most marketing professionals, you rely on gated content like white papers and eBooks to fill your funnel with qualified leads. But what if your gated content could be made smarter and more effective? With traditional lead generation assets, you don't gain any insights beyond the number of downloads. No insight on how many pages they get through. No insight on what topics they focus on. No insight on whether they share it with others. You can't afford to use a medium you can't measure. Luckily, there's a better way. Imagine separating hot leads from cold ones based on engagement inside your white papers. Imagine sending highly engaged leads directly to your sales team. Imagine segmenting your leads based on which pages they read, and having this all reflected automatically in your CRM. It's time to modernize your lead generation. Foleon lets anyone quickly create smart white papers that don't just generate leads, but that enhance your entire funnel, integrating seamlessly with your existing systems. Measure every detail of reader behavior. The form is embedded, so as your white papers are shared, collect info from those new readers too. Use social login to increase form fill rates and obtain more complete data. PDFs aren't designed for mobile. With 54% of your audience on a mobile device, Foleon provides an epic experience on any screen size. They are uniquely interactive and can be personalized to your audience. And with our easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor and big collection of professionally designed templates, you'll be creating dazzling white papers in no time. Grow lead volumes, improve lead quality, and ramp up your reader engagement. Ready to supercharge your lead generation? Get the guide.